Hello parents and my dear students, welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar. Mobile number 75680 Class 7, Subject GK, Chapter 7, Lecture number 1. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school classes will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर के दौरान अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट होता है तो आप अपनी नोटबुक में उसे नोट कर लीजिए और जब आपकी स्कूल क्लासेस ओपन होंगी तो आप अपने रिलेटेड टीचर से पूछ सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द चैप्टर नंबर 7, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. What are reported speech? Reported speech are those sentences which have been said by someone or in subordinate of a cause of a action. Okay. किसी काम को या किसी बात को कह देने वाले वर्ड्स जो होते हैं या सेंटेंसेस जो होते हैं उन्हें रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहा जाता है. जैसे कि वो वर्ड्स जो किसी की बात को समझाते हैं या किसी की बात को बयान करते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल विल टेक द फर्स्ट वन. हु इज़ द बेस्ट पेंटर हियर, शी आस्क्ड. Now in this sentence we are talking about someone else, what she said. So we will explain someone else, or you will tell someone else in the way like she asked who the best painter was. अब हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि हम यहाँ पे किसी और व्यक्ति के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि किसी और ने किसी और के बारे में पूछा, राइट. उसने किसी पेंटर के बारे में पूछा था. तो हम यहाँ पे अगर किसी को बताएंगे तो कैसे बताएंगे? शी आस्क्ड हु द पेंटर वॉज. ओके, सो लाइक दिस ओनली वी हैव टू कंप्लीट और रीराइट दीज सेंटेंसेस इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. What is the matter? He asked me. Now, what is the matter? He asked me. So, we will change this as he asked me what the matter was. Here we are missing with me. So, please add me. He asked me what the matter was. Okay? Next. What has he done to receive such laurels? Gina asked. Here we are talking about Gina. She was asking someone else that what has he done to receive such laurels. Okay, so we will change this in reported speech as Gina asked what he had done to receive such laurels. Okay, next. I have never seen a student as bright as you, the teacher told me. Here teacher is telling a student that she has never seen a bright student like him. So how will we explain this thing to somebody else? The teacher told me that she had never seen a student as bright as me. Okay, next. The man said I have to go as soon as possible. Here the man is saying that he has to go as soon as possible. So we will explain this thing in the man said that he had to go as soon as possible. Okay. Now number 6. Alice said how clever I am. Here we are using explain on the place of said because she is explaining about herself or she is showing something about herself. Okay, so we will use Alice explained how clever she was. Next, please wait here till I return, Ravi told him. Here Ravi was talking to someone and Ravi told someone that to wait till he returns. यहाँ पे रवि किसी से बात कर रहा है और उसे ये बोलता है कि आप थोड़ी सी देर रुकिए, जब तक मैं आता हूँ तब तक आप वेट कीजिए. सो वी विल explain this in reported speech like this. Ravi asked him to wait here till he returned. जब तक वो नहीं आता तब तक आप प्लीज़ यहाँ पर वेट कीजिए. नेक्स्ट इज Do you have a pen? Payal asked him. Here Payal is asking for a pen to someone else. Okay, यहाँ पे पायल जो है वो किसी और से पेन मांग रही है, तो इसको रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कैसे बोलेंगे? पायल आस्क्ड हिम इफ़ ही हैड अ पेन. Okay, so these are the sentences. Now grow with Derek. Write a paragraph in reported speech. Now what you have to do, you have to write a paragraph in the same way as we have made the sentences in reported speech. You have to make a paragraph, or you have to write a paragraph in your rough copy. Okay, that will be your activity, and you have to complete these sentences, write the correct answers. In the second one, what is the matter? He asked me. You have to write he asked me what the matter was. You have to use me in between asked and what. यहाँ पे जो आंसर लिखा हुआ है उसमें एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक है, तो वो आपको करेक्ट करनी है. यहाँ पे मी यूज़ करना है आस्क्ड के बाद में और व्हाट से पहले. ओके, ही आस्क्ड मी what the matter was. Okay, so this is it for today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.